All of us would probably know that the pH of acids is less than 7, that of salts is 7, and that of bases is more than 7. Do we really understand what pH is? Let's dive a bit deeper into this concept. Okay, let's start with the bases. How do we identify if a substance is an acid or a base? That's right, we use an indicator. But given two acidic solutions, how do we know which one is stronger among them? How can we judge how strong an acid or a base? And that's what pH helps us. With it gives us the measure of the strength of acids or bases. How does it do that? pH considers concentration of H plus ions in the solution. Yes, the pH measures the strength of acids or bases. But you would probably be thinking that if pH only considers the concentration of H plus ions, how can it tells us how strong a base is? Remember, bases also contains H plus ions, just that the concentration of H plus ions is far lower than that of concentration of OH minus ions, so low that they are generally ignored. So to know how strong an acid or base is, we have the concept of a pH scale, and it ranges from 0 to 14. 0 being very acidic and 14 being very basic or alkaline. And the pH of neutral solution right here in the middle is 7. Understand that the pH is just a number which tells us how acidic or basic a solution is. More the concentration of the hydrogen ions, lesser will be the pH value. Yes, understand? This will more the concentration of the hydrogen ion, lesser will be the pH value. Now, if you look at the scale, as we go towards the left, the pH value is decreasing, which means that if we go leftwards on the scale, the hydrogen ion concentration increases, and as we go rightwards, the H plus ion concentration reduces. And we know that higher H plus ion concentration implies that the solution is more acidic. So the acidic nature increases as we go towards the left, and a basic solution have lower concentration of H plus ions. The basic nature increases as we go towards the right. So this pH scale is a very general way to understand how strong an acid or a base is. Let's take a very basic test to check if you have understood the concept of pH scale. I have two solutions A and B. Solution A has pH of 2 and solution B has a pH of 4. Which one is more acidic? Yes, solution A is more acidic as its pH is lower. Here is another one. Solution C has pH of 5 and solution D has a pH of 10. Which one is more basic? Yes, solution C is acidic and solution D is basic. So relatively solution D is more basic and we can see that its pH is higher to A. Good way to remember this is to think of the first two letters of the English alphabet, A and B. Acidic on the left, basic on the right. And don't forget, we still don't know how the number on the pH scale is calculated. That involves logarithms. But we haven't looked at. But how is the pH of a solution actually measured in real life? We'll see that in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.